Gary Atensi with CNTV, and today we are in Parker, Colorado. We are right off of Lincoln here at Lifetime Tans. I am with the owner and founder, Paul. Paul, basically for the past couple of years here, you guys have been providing top quality tanning for people who walk through your doors, everything from UV tanning as well as the UV free. Tell me why Parker and why you thought there was a need here.
Well, we've seen an opportunity here in Parker just because of for one, it was the location being right on Lincoln Avenue, and the parking that we have out front of the facility. It's easy to get in, easy to get out. We just thought Parker would be a great place to start our Lifetime business.
Fantastic. And speaking of great location, great place, when we walk in here, your folks must feel like they're on vacation the minute they walk in here.
Yeah, we get a lot of comments about that. I mean, look at the scenery we have around us. 10 tons of bamboo, wicker, little tiki huts. We call it Gilligan's Island on steroids, and we really we feel like we brought the beach to Colorado.
Not only that, but we've got the climate around here where it's not summer all the time, year-round, and so this is kind of summertime in here all the time, and you guys control the sun in here, don't you?
That's right. You'll never have an overexposed of a suntan in this place. Everything's in a controlled environment.
You've got a total of, 13 rooms, 11 beds here?
Yeah, 13 rooms total. We have two spray rooms. One is custom, one is a Mystic spray booth, and all the 11 booths are UV tanning beds.
Speaking of the UV tanning beds, you're talking about if somebody wants to come on here, lay down, get a tan, they can do that, stand up, get a tan, either way.
That's right. We have two stand-ups. We have a high-pressure mix. It's called a Ringo. And then we have the other one that pretty much everybody's familiar with, just 160-watt, 48 bulb stand-up. And then we have lay-downs, 8 lay-downs to go with it.
Tell me more about these high-pressure sun board.
Yeah, that's right. We are the only salon in Parker with high-pressure tanning. It's an incredible bed. It's all UVA ray. There's no UVB in this one, but it's all bronzing.
Basically, you control everything in here. You control the climate, you control the safety, you basically can control how much they're getting or how less. So tell me about how convenience, how long do they have to stay in these beds for?
Well, our top bed is a 15-minute max time, but most of our high-speed beds are a 12-minute run time. And the nice thing is, what I tell people, year-round tanning at Lifetime Tans, you're getting your vitamin D all the way around. Here at Lifetime Tans, you're paying one-time fee, $149. You tan for a lifetime.
Now, speaking of these lay-down beds and all the beds you've got here, are we talking about facials included in there as well, so you can get your face tanned up?
That's right. Every single bed we have at Lifetime Tans has facial tanners. They have the option to turn them off if they don't, prefer that type of tan. But that's very unusual to find a level 1 bed with facial tanners. We have them all here.
Everything's pretty much high-tech. We're not talking about complete same tanning all the way around. You've got different temperatures on the bottom, different on the top, different on the face. Is that right?
We have a 10-minute high-speed beds on our low level. And in most salons that we've found, we were running 20-minute tan times last year. It takes more time to tan more people. Now we're running our low-end bed, what we call low-end, but it's really not. It's a 10-minute high-speed bed.
Let me ask you, as far as safety goes, important to have safety on the beds. You have controls, and how are those monitored?
That's right. They're controlled by a T-Max monitor. Once we set the time, that bed's going to automatically turn off.
Everything looks like it's pretty well sanitized.
You bet. We have actually the $1,000 challenge here at Lifetime Tans. We have all of our cleaners. We will actually do a 1,000 lifetime challenge. We tell them if our sanitizer is not at the exact 500 parts per million, we will actually give them $1,000. We ask anybody to take us up on the challenge. Nobody has, because we say, now if we do, we want you to buy a month. We will actually give you $1,000 if our test does not come up.